Good morning, children. We are starting the next session of physics. Next is a problem session and a new session for you. That is mirror equation. Mirror equation, new Cartesian sign conventions and the problems you have to study in this session. So first we will move on to the topic mirror equation. So mirror equation. Mirror equation. See, consider a concave mirror. A concave mirror is given. So, a concave mirror. This is the pole of the mirror. And you are drawing the principal axis. Then, suppose here it is the focus. Here it is the center of curvature. So, this is the center of curvature here. Suppose an object is kept here. So as you study, and an object which is kept beyond the C, its image will be obtained between C and F. So let the image be obtained here. So now you have to go on to the mirror equation. So before studying mirror equation, we have to be familiar with certain terms. What are the terms? First one, the distance from the object to the mirror is considered as U. So what is U? U is the distance from the object to the mirror. Next one, the distance from the mirror to the image is known as V. Distance from the mirror to the image is known as V. And the distance between F and P is termed as focal length F. So what is a mirror equation? Mirror equation is 1 by F is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. This is the mirror equation. 1 by F is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V is the mirror equation. So the mirror equation is 1 by F is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. What is U? U is the distance from the object to the mirror. And V is the distance from the image to the mirror. And F is the focal length. Now, you have to simplify this equation. How you simplify? You have learned cross multiplication and all that thing. So 1 by F is equal to, when you cross multiply, you get V plus U by UV. Or when you reciprocate it, you will get F is equal to UV by U plus V. These two equations you can take for either of these two equations you can take for solving the problems related to mirror. So what is the mirror equation? Mirror equation is 1 by F is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. So next what you have to study is a new Cartesian sign convention. So what is new Cartesian sign convention? New Cartesian sign convention is, suppose you are considering a mirror. See, this is a concave mirror. And concave mirror, this is the pole of the mirror. And here is the focus of the mirror. And here it is the center of curvature. So the first point to be noted in Cartesian sign convention is, the pole is considered as the origin. And all the measurements are taken from the pole, considering pole as the origin. The measurements, that is, and measurements from the right of the pole is taken as positive, and to the left of the pole is taken to be negative. The ray of light is always considered to be falling from left to right. The ray of light is always considered to be falling from left to right. So suppose an object is kept here. This distance we have studied as u. The distance between object and the mirror is u. So the distance between the object and the mirror should be measured from here, from the pole. So the distance is marked like this. So u is always negative. In the case of a concave mirror as well as a convex mirror, u is always negative. Then suppose see here in this diagram, the object is kept between C and F. So the image will be obtained beyond C. So this distance is V. So this distance V is also taken as negative. Understood? And the focus, this one is the focus. So focus is also, since focus is on the left of P, focus is also taken as negative. This is a case of a concave mirror. Suppose we can consider a convex mirror. See, this is a convex mirror. This is the pole of the mirror. And we are drawing this principal axis. So in the case of a convex mirror, where will be the center of curvature? Center of curvature is inside here. This is center of curvature and this is the focus. So as you have studied in the ray diagram, if an object is kept here, the image will be always obtained between the pole and the focus. Image will be a diminished and a virtual image. So what is this distance? This distance is u. U is negative. Since u is on the left of P, u is negative. But what about V? V is to the right of the pole. So V is positive. And what about F? F is also on the right of pole. So F is also positive. So this is a case of a concave mirror and this is a case of a convex mirror. So when you get a problem, you should identify the picture or you should draw the rough figure, then only you should move on to the problem. In this class, we will deal with some of the problems given in your textbook. So be careful while using Cartesian sign conventions. Okay. Next, we will move on to the problem given in your textbook. See, the problem is, when an object is placed in front of a concave mirror at a distance 30 centimeter, an image is obtained on a screen at a distance of 20 centimeter from the mirror. Find the focal length. So when you get a question like this, it is better you draw a rough figure. So no measurement is needed. You draw a rough figure like this. A concave mirror is a question. So a concave mirror is drawn. Then you have to draw the principal axis, mark a P. Then an object is kept at a distance of 30 centimeters. So suppose you are drawing F here. So object is kept at a distance of 30 centimeter. An image is obtained on the screen. Image is obtained on the screen means it is a real image. So the image will also be somewhere here. A real image means it will be an inverted image. So an image is obtained. You have to find out the focal length. So what is the distance of the object when an object is placed in front of a concave mirror at a distance of 30? So u is equal to, you will have to take it as positive or negative. U is on this side, so u is minus 30 centimeter. Then V is this distance. Image to the mirror is V. P is also on the right side. So V left side, V is equal to minus 20 centimeter. You have to find out F. F is equal to, you have to find out. So what's the mirror equation? 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by V. Or when you cross multiply, you got one other formula, F is equal to UV by U plus V. So substitute in that problem, that is minus 30 into minus 20 divided by minus 30 plus minus 20. So minus 30 into minus 20 divided by minus 50. So what is the answer? Negative into negative, positive. Positive divided by negative will give you negative. Then 0, 0 cancel, 5 and 36. So the answer is negative 12 centimeter. So where is the focal length? Focal length will be here. That is the distance. Focal length is 12 centimeter. Understood? This is how you should do a problem. Next, we will move on to the next question. So the next problem is, an object is placed in front of a concave mirror 20 centimeter away from it. If the focal length is 40 centimeter, locate the position of image and its nature. So, while looking at the problem, something should strike to your mind. That is, focal length is 40 and the object is kept at 20. So, the object is kept between F and P. So, where will be the image formed? Let's see where will be the image formed. So, here, this is P. So, F will be somewhere here. So, F is 40 centimeter. So, the object is kept somewhere here. Object is 20 centimeter. So, what will you write? U is equal to minus 20 centimeter. Am I correct? Because your object is on this side. Then F is equal to minus 40 centimeter. You have to find out V. How will you find? What is the mirror equation? 1 by F is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. You have to find out V. So what will you do? 1 by F minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by V. So clear for you? 1 by V, 1 by U goes to this side. So you can cross multiply. U minus F by Fu is equal to 1. So by reciprocating it, you will get V is equal to Fu by U minus F. Then you can substitute here. V is equal to Fu. Fu means minus 40 into minus 20 divided by minus 20 minus 40. Then minus into minus is plus. So 40 into 20 by minus 20 plus 40. That will give you 40 into 20 by 20. So the answer is 40 centimeter. Here is no negative. Answer is 40 centimeter plus 40. So the image is formed at a distance of 40 centimeter inside the mirror. It is not here outside the mirror. It is inside the mirror. It is inside the mirror. So what will be the nature of the image? Since it is inside a mirror, it is a virtual image. Virtual image means it is an erect image. Understood? So the image, since V is positive, how will you write the nature of the image? The nature and the position of the image, you can write it as image is formed at a distance of 40 centimeter from the mirror inside. So how will you, what is the nature of the image? Nature of the image. So we can write the nature of the image also. Once again we will write it as a clear answer. How you write? Since image is formed at a distance of 40 centimeter inside the mirror, you can write it as a refined answer. How will you write? A virtual erect image is formed at a distance of 40 centimeter inside the mirror. This is how you find out the answer. Understood? So since this is plus 40, the image is formed inside the mirror. Understood? So this is